So this is a 14 by 14 inch thermocol. We cut out this marked portion with a knife. So this is another piece of thermocol which is slightly smaller. As you can see, we are making this hole to put the pillars into it. These are the pillars which we have already cut. Now we will paint this with yellow acrylic color. Painting is done. Now we will put these pillars into the hole just like this. Let's attach the roof on it. In the same way, we have made another floor. Now we are attaching this floor together. It is done. These are all the design for the top of the Rath. We have used different colors, as you can see. We have skipped all the cutting part, but we hope you guys get the idea and design we have done. We cannot show you each and every steps, otherwise it would have been a very long video, you know that. So if you guys have anything to know, please let us know in the comment box. This is the ground floor on which the Rath will be stand. We have used ply for the ground floor. You guys can get it from any carpenter shop. We have used ply so that we can fix wheel, otherwise the Rath will not be able to move easily. All the wheels are fixed. Now we will attach the two floor with the ground floor. We kill two nail here to tie a thread to pull the Rath. And we use some straws to cover the backside just like this. Now we will do some designs with thermocol. We will fix small pieces of glasses on the layers and the pillars also. This is a jute stick. We are covering the jute stick with masking tape and then we will paint it with yellow acrylic color. This is a glitter paper and we cut paper like this shape and attach with a stick just like this.